Got him. You got him. Grab him. Grab him. All this work for this little fucker. Get him. Is he fucking dead? Come on, Jaden. Come on, Jaden. You clutch with it. You know what you're doing, bro. He behind you. That was fucking stupid. Why would you... You could have easily killed him by just pushing him off. You didn't hear that big ass nigga? Come on now, what are we doing? That nigga bigger than you, bro. You didn't hear doom, 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 doom. Nigga was running at you. Niggas, bro.